Hello, traders. Welcome to Deja Vu, episode 228 of Tea with me, Mitch Ray. I'm back, just to get on to say hello, and my apologies, I don't know, evidently Charter, all of Charter went down for maintenance or something. There were numerous reports everywhere on downdetector.com, which is like, if you don't know about Down Detector, really nice, reliable resource where people will exclaim their outages and you'll be able to see. So good stuff, man, good stuff. What now? This isn't working. Hold on. All right, sweet. Hold on. I'm discombobulated, man. I'm like kind of out of it. It's kind of like really late and stuff, but whatever, right? Asleep when I'm dead, man. I'll sleep when Bitcoin's actually not doing things, kind of doing things a little bit. 4,010 is our current price, 6.25% to the upside. Wonderful. Gotta love that, right? Gotta love it. As we talked about the potential double bottom, seems like we have not broken that neckline of the double bottom, which was at 41.22. Still got a ways to go. And then you got the 236 and a 50 MA right after that. I mean, just tremendous amounts of adversity before my internet crapped. Oh my god, dude. We discussed this little square right here, which is your just stupidly high level of adversity, right? We got all these resistances up there. And if we could break that, look, man, if we're going to talk about actual measure moves or something, right? That's what I want to do. A measure move. Now, let's get this thing. What are you doing, man? Hold on. Okay, a $400 measure move of this potential. Oh my god. What is happening? Okay, there we go. Potential double bottom measure move would put you at 45.24. That's the technical measure move of this double bottom pattern. All right, okay. So we'll see if we can get there. That is actually below the 382, which your common retrace zone is between 4600, 4630, and 5362. All right, so. Remember our common retrace zone, as we talk about time and time again every stream so much. So if you're a regular viewer, you're sick and tired of hearing about it, but maybe, just maybe, there's someone new who doesn't understand retrace zones on Fibonacci. They're going to learn about it, all right, every time. And if you're learning about it, you've heard me say it 20 times, you hear me say it 21 times, and maybe you'll retain some more information, right? Awesome. So 46, 34, 53, 62, range bound is our common retrace zone, all right? With measure move, again, $400 in change. Take a look at chat again, because this episode, whatever, okay, 3 or something, okay, I don't even know anymore, hold on. Okay, we got 74 watching. Thank you for being here. I know it's really late. So those like buttons, those bells, those subs, just because we did not hit 100 likes before my internet crapped out for like over an hour. Okay, so sucks, man. Bradford, are we live or something? Yeah, or something. It's more so or something. What's up, James Glenn, man? Kangs, dude. What's up, Oxd with his popcorn and sunglasses, man? Don't take your sunglasses off. Well, depends if those sunglasses are they sunglasses or are they the actual what are they? The blue light killers, so you can actually get some sleep at some point. I need some of those. What's up, Jeff, man? Kangs indeed. Coin Hustle. What's up, Crypto Super Ninja? Crypto Tiger. What's up, Chalin, man? Chalin, man, yeah, that was looking really good, dude. I saw that briefly. Okay, it looked good. You were 10 minutes into the previous show and got the notification for this one, LPLT. Well, boom, man, boom. Glad you're liking the music, Crypto Super Ninja, man. Get wrecked in my sleep, Mr. Magoo? Yeah, dude. Me too, right? Oh, hey, Princess Riley. How are you doing? The Jesus lady. Joe Schultz. You have to go to the courtroom early in the morning to get a firearm ban off your record. Yeah, man. Always want to have those firearms, right? Because, you know, it's constitutional right if you live in America. United States. What's up, William Jeffrey? Yeah. Technical difficulties out the wazoo, man. More than I've ever had in the history of ever. Okay, man. Got a new PC case. I mean, technical issues all the way from ordering the product to it getting here on time to, I can't even talk about it. It's just a lot of technical difficulties. Yes, internet goes out. It's insane, man. All right. Insane. Twas an expensive DDoS. Watch out. Yeah, no doubt. I feel like I got DDoS. Feels like, right? Correlated stocks like Overstock, Nvidia pop tomorrow on this, on Bitcoin price action. What you talking about, man? You're on your route to work. Level Flutta. Well, have a go and be careful. Don't let me distract you, okay? What's up about DJ Buonello, man, with the turtles? Always come with the turtles with the clincher. I always get, or DJ Buonello always gets my attention in chat because he posts turtles after he says something. Chat, y'all should do the same. Emote after you talk. It pops on the eye on my side, okay? Just letting you know. Like, there it is. He does the 3 thumbs up, 3 turtles. Just giving y'all some, info, man. All right. Hey, John Stamos, man. So, dude, would I consider a break above the 50 EMA extremely bullish? I would consider this is a simple moving average, not an EMA. Okay, John Stamos, man. I like the simple moving averages because I'm using slower time scales. Makes more sense. And I know for a fact the simple moving averages on significant time scales on low volume are constantly used as support resistance. Okay. And there's that equilibrium zone between the 20 and the 50. And if you're in a bear trend, you seldom are able to break above the 20, but sometimes you will, and then you'll run up to the 50, and then you'll fail again, you'll break down. Okay, so I think that it is, I wouldn't say extremely bullish. If we break it, no. I don't think the trend reverses completely if we break above the 50 MA, simple moving SMA. I think that we have a higher likelihood of reaching our common retrace zone from a Fibonacci standpoint. We've got our, what is this, man? What in the, oh my god, are you kidding me, dude? I got it, it's bugging out, dude. Get it out of here. Okay. Weird. Alright, from the swing high. And how do we get our swing highs? How do you know what the right swing high is? When in doubt, go to the daily. We went to the daily. What made the most sense is that November 7th high. Okay, you can clearly see it. You can't see this on the 4 hour, or on the daily, excuse me. So you go here, swing high to swing low. We would expect between 46.34 and 53.62. That's it, man. Okay. If we broke that 50 EMA and the 236 at 41.83, we'd have a higher likelihood of hitting that common retrace at some point. Okay. Okay. 5,000 critical areas of resistance, I believe. Okay. That's it, man. John Stamos, hope that helps. Let me know. Yeah, I'm drinking. I'm drinking at like 3 a.m. Eastern because dude, this night has been so stressful. It has been extremely stressful, okay? I've been losing my mind, all right? Just a little bit. Hey, Tal L, man. You know, you asked that question about 7 minutes ago. Hopefully I answered your question in that period of time, okay? What's up about Elko Alex, man? How you doing, man? I'm going live at this hour. Julia, oh my god. Julia. Wake up. What's up, Karim? Welcome in. Just having your morning coffee and test, dude. It's just too late to have coffee. Actually, I'm sorry. I love everyone coffee, but it's just too late. I'm winding down. What's up, Marius? Odendal coming in from South Africa. Be safe down there, man. Good vibes to you. All right, man. What's up, Wobble My Jello? Cyan Wolf, howdy. Dude, this music's, I'm digging this music, man. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, man. Love it, dude. Technical difficulties with TD with Mitch Ray. Sequin, exactly. She just changed the name. Jalen, get a graphic going, Kappa. Jacob Schultz is joining the Air Force. BMT starts in February off to Texas. Basic boot camp. Is it BB? Congratulations, Jacob, man, and thank you so much for making that that step serve our country, to protect me and everyone else in this chat that is in the United States. And really, when you're joining the United States military, you're protecting everyone in the Western world. Okay, our allies. Okay, so thanks so much for that. Is this the next bull run? Tau, is this the bull run? No, it's not Tau. It is not. Just to be clear, it is not the next bull run. This is just a scrubby little double bottom on the 4 hour that has not even hit a 236, 23% retrace. So no, it is not the next bull run, and it's just begun, and it could very well scrub out. All right, be aware of that. The trend you are in is not your friend if you're bullish, okay? Hey, it feels sincere, man. Primetime stream, dude. Maybe in Straya. The Strayas are probably just freaking out right now. Julia, are y'all freaking out? Can I get word, Crypto Tiger? Y'all? You bogans? What's up, what is this? What's up, Crypto SB, man? I'm losing my mind. You're reaping all the benefits, Wilson, man? Vincent Wilson, man. Hey, Dill899, where you been, dude? Oh, it's 8 a.m. for y'all. Okay. Dude, I'm so digging this music, man. Okay. Big fella, man. How you doing, dude? Best done, man. Hello, dude. Hello. Yeah, somewhat. I guess I did. I mean, you mean Charter get everything resolved? Because I got my stuff kind of figured out, and then Charter wants to come in and screw everything up. Okay. Ronke, you okay, man? BSV. You talking about Bitcoin Cash SV, Talman? Alex W says, thanks, Mitch, for keeping me entertained and informed on this night shift. Sure thing, man. Absolutely. Hey, man, I'm just here because I feel like I just didn't do my duty today as much as, duty. I did not do it as much as I felt I should have, and it just felt bad because it's like, dude, I've been working so hard to get this going, man, and it's just everything's been going so wrong. And normally on days and stuff that go so wrong, you just keep pushing through it, and eventually good things will happen, right? So that's what I'm just trying to do, man. Just trying to push through this day that's already over. It's already a new day, right? So Sticky, probably about 6 hours, 5 to 7 hours maybe. Sticky, just depends. Can I dab? No, Dominique, I cannot dab. Can you dab? I don't know, can you? Yeah, that's right, Team America World Police. That's it, dude. That's it, man. Hey, 720 Trading coming in from Scotland, man. My Scottish brother. I have a lot of Scottish blood in me. Okay, man. As well as Nordic blood. Okay. I think the Vikings came over and took over Scotland at one point. And that is where my, whatever, you know, I don't know, man. Hey, what's up, Mr. Breeze, man? Julia, you freaking the F out. Excellent. Phil missed the Bogan chat. You're Bogan, man. Only the elite Bogans get certain things, okay? Hey, you know what's interesting about, hey, Julia and Strayans, you know what's interesting about right now, me being live? We have a new 4-hour candle that just opened. Hey, let's just do this real quick. Dude, my whole world's flipped upside down right now, okay? It's insane. How's the weather? It's freezing, dude. It's freezing. It's literally 27 degrees or something, 26 now. Tried to take a week off from crypto, not sure it did anything. Dude, are you kidding me, man? We're up, dude. We're up like 7% after dropping 50% of the value in like 2 weeks. Okay. Hey, M. Lily, welcome. BCHSV, yeah, dude, I'll put it on the list. Let's act like this is a normal stream, okay? God. How do you survive not looking at chart 24/7? I don't know, man. At basic, I just don't know how you're gonna do it, man. Voltaire, are we Kangs, man? No, dude, not Kangs. Hey, Ron K, looking forward to it, man. Whenever it happens, good. Hey, Bill Battles, man. Hey, dude, right? I didn't think anyone was even listening, Bill. Like, been talking about the potential double bottom and all the divergence, and everyone's just like, no, man, nah, screw that. We're going 3K. We're going 3K, man. Like, all right, man, we probably will, but just wait a second, okay? Wait a second. What's up, Mad Carl? Were you saying Europe's waking up? You're not saying hello to me, man? Okay. What's going on, dude? Thought we were tight, dude. Mad Carl, like this. Double D. Is now the time to invest in Bitcoin? I'll just answer for everyone to say two. Okay, investing is different than trading, okay? No. It is not the time to invest in Bitcoin, because this is not over. Not by a long shot, okay, man? Please understand, 2 weeks ago we just began the next leg down of a otherwise bearish trend we've been in since freaking January, right? February. That's right, 720 trading, man. You get it, dude. You get it. You get me, man. 6 p.m. in Brisbane. Oh my God, it's getting lit over there on a Wednesday, dude. Look out. How those Fibonacci's working for me, pal? Pretty well. They've been working very well, actually. Ron K. Appreciate the passive aggressive tone, man. When I'm live for you, and not really you, but everyone else that cares, you're in here being passive aggressive, acting like you're. What are you? You been short since 12K. Congratulations, man. Go start a YouTube channel. Let everyone know about it, dude. Like, we're in here being positive, okay? You're in here like talking crap, dude. What are you doing? Go short somewhere else, man. Like, dude, just hanging out. God, Pete, what's wrong with people, dude? What are the voids in people's lives to be so passive aggressive and hateful, full of malice? Okay, why? What's the point, dude? Like, I'm bearish too, Ron. I'm bearish too, but I'm also realistic and understanding bullish divergence and don't want people to go short here and to make stupid mistakes and lose money with high leverage, right? Okay. What do I think about Litecoin? Another dumpster fire, man. $23 is the target for now. Okay. We're retracing just like everything else. No, Tao, I don't, but I'm just reading chat, hanging out. It's 3 a.m. Eastern. 3 a.m. Eastern, okay? It's my third time going live today. Well, I appreciate your opinion, Ron, okay? But I don't think so. What's up, Bonsai fan? Hey, Scott Holtzman, man. Thanks, dude. Just hanging out, just trying to, you know, just trying to relax and hang out. Is that crazy, man? Look, I got a channel, a YouTube channel, all right? And I'm just live. Wow, crazy stuff. Yeah, well, Ron K, man, you can go start your own channel, man. We'd love to watch you, dude. Be hilarious. Bye. No one cares. What's up, Wayne, man? Good to see you, dude. Yeah, that's nuts, dude. Anyway, all right. Let's go to Ethereum and look at the exact same chart that we're looking at right now. Right? Double bottom. Well, yeah, it's exactly the same thing, right? Double bottom, swing high to swing low. We have not even come close to the 236, right? Not even close. Haven't even touched the 50 MA. Long way to go. Volume's low. Positive momentum's building. RSI is neutral. and could go much higher if we wanted to. Got the room to do it, but don't, you know, in a bearish condition like this, I don't think you're gonna have the opportunity. Okay, so that's it. Thanks, Sam M. Appreciate you being here. Thanks to the 141 people here at 3 a.m. Eastern. Okay. I've been acting very pretty lately. Clown on people? Dude, okay. Whatever, man. Okay. Small tips. Whatever, man. Thanks, dude. Everyone start their own channel. That's what everyone's doing lately anyway. Okay, go start your own TA channel. Enjoy it. Okay, Ripple breaking above the 236. Trying to break above this candle body high close back from the 26 just 2 days ago. 38 cents. Great to see that we're trying to, let's see, we closed above, technically closed above that 38-cent range. It's a resistance back from October 12th. And back from December 8th, 2017. So you're back above that, pumping a little bit. Not really. Volume is terrible. Very, very scrubby volume. Great positive momentum shift building, right? And RSI looking like the rest, around 50, like right in the middle. Okay. That's it, man. So could expect between 40 to 45 cents before we see some sort of reversal in price action to the downside. The 382 would make perfect sense because look, that is exactly where the we're confluent with that 50 moving average. Okay, simple moving average. So whatever, man. That's it, man. That's it. Interesting, man. Julia, sorry to hear that you lost your internet. Sorry about that. What's up, Bitcoin Andy, man? Good to see you. Crazy, man. Crazy. All right. So, bullish divergence. It played out, but I'm not really going anywhere, and I'm kind of sad by the volume here. Volume just terrible. Okay. So bouncing, you know, somewhat off that bottom trend line of the descending broadening wedge. We'll see if we can run up at least test the 50. If we tested the 50% retrace from a swing high to swing low, if we did that, we could back test the channel we broke out of bearishly, right? That was so nice. Upsloping channel. Right? That's it. It's your XRP. Kept tanking, man, right? Let's go to that 60 minute. It's been dumping, dude. You were warned last night. You were warned about the lower high. If you didn't listen, you bought in. It's your own fault because you literally ignored us. Okay, man. What do you want? All right. What do you want? Anyway, so yeah, you're in the channel. You broke out. You had a break and go in the 4-hour, beautiful break and go. Ran up from $103 after that break and go confirmation all the way to 140, 141. Holy crap! About to sneeze. Oh, maybe. Might be a false alarm. Oh my god. Okay. boy, man. Oh boy. Hey, Genovese, man, you know, like, I'm not arguing with that, right? Like, what's wrong with like, using technical analysis to protect people that want to go short at bad times? And to say, hey, man, we might be retracing the upside just a little bit, so maybe just hold off and look for good areas to go short around the 382, 50%, 618. Retraces, those are great areas to go short, right? No one's arguing. No one's arguing. I'm not saying that we're not going to 1,000, right? But anyway, it really is some sort of wedge, right? Bullish engulfing candle at the 382, but this is not relative. But this is what happened, right? This is kind of what swing high to swing low. We retraced around 61% of the way. Ran up almost to the 786, then we broke down that lower high. Look, when you have runs up like this, extremely high runs, you break down violently and then you retrace. You see that common retrace all the time. When you see that lower high, you better take heed of that lower high. It means you're most likely going to the downside more. And that's exactly what we did. And if you go back to our stream literally last night, when we went and analyzed this, we said that. High likelihood of breaking down to lower prices. Look where we are. We got as low as $85 when we were saying $130. We're probably going lower. We got all the way down to freaking $85. I mean, the lower high is so telling. Okay, don't forget the lower high after a rally. All right. Look, man, it's like the rally began. Okay, higher high, you break down, higher low. You run up, higher high, you break down, higher high, you break down, lower high, extreme lower high, right? You can see it clear as day, lower high. And you break down. Right. Yep, sneeze fake out exactly feels the chair, man. That's exactly what happened, dude. Is right now a good time to get into Litecoin? No, BB, it is not a good time to get into Litecoin. No, BB, no. Okay. Excellent job. Glad to hear you did well, man. Glad to hear you did well. Yes, possibly win. Yes, absolutely. I don't know. It's like anytime I try to talk about like us retracing commonly, people that are short perma bears like think I'm like talking about the next bull run when I'm just saying, nah, man, we're just an indication to believe on the chart based on oscillators and patterns that we might retrace. That's like literally all I'm trying to do, man. That's all I'm saying. So I'm saying, like, if you are a perma bull, I want to protect you at least from maybe going short literally right then, which was yesterday when we were making that potential double bottom, which seems like it might be playing out just a little bit. Okay, so that's all I was trying to do, man.
Can we look at BCHSV/BTC pair also? Rebought back in at 0.022. The BTC pair is in price discovery territory.
Yeah, LPLT, thanks for 321, man. Hey, Mr. Matani, thanks for the sub on YouTube, Gizman. Thanks, dude. You know, no one's even asked about ABC. No one. Literally no one, dude. Yeah, BTC pair looks pretty sweet, man. Okay, so we got to retrace. Well, how much have we retraced? Is it 50% yet? It is 50%, man. The 50% retrace. Wonderful, man. Wonderful. Awesome, dude. Very cool. All right. Was this a wedge of some sort, man? This could be. Right? Some sort of wedge. Hey, Club Styler, man. Thanks for the sub on YouTube. Not really a good wedge. Pretty scrub wedge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points, whatever. But below the 20 MA and 50 MA, that's you actually rejecting the 20 MA as we speak. We got 41 minutes left on the 60-minute. Okay. So So I get it, man. But this was a tremendous run. Okay, tremendous run. You're retracing, reversing price action at the 50%, but are you really doing anything? Okay, you have all the bullish divergence, right? Low, lower low, lowest low, every time. Lower levels of negative momentum. And you ended up having bullish divergence on the RSI. There you go, man. So about Dirty Fergie. So if that was the case, man, if we did find our swing low there, we just do a swing high to swing low. You can see a target of whatever, 28,000 would be the target on the 50% retrace. Okay, let's say your target's 28,019 sats. Okay, have a falling wedge pattern that's very weak, a very weak pattern. Okay, very weak pattern. You did break it. Down sloping resistance has been broken, but you're really doing nothing on no volume. Nice to see these look, the bullish divergence and the pattern, the scrubby pattern, but it's still there. The impulse up, down sloping, price contraction. All right. Okay. Cool, man. Cool. See you at 28,000, and possibly the secondary target would be 29,650 cents. All right. You said you got in at 22,000 sats or something. Okay, well, we'll see if we can get any higher, but I'm telling you, keep rejecting the 20 MA, it's going to break down again. Okay, be careful. This is a very, very nice run. Very, very nice run. All right. Holy crap, music's so freaking loud. Look at that. Why, dude? It was so perfect before. You're right there. Perfect. Have fun with your broken lines and disappearing coins, Ron E. Yeah, dude. Like, since we didn't talk about 5,800, don't be long on Bitcoin below 5,800. Dude. Yeah, man. This guy's like been watching the stream for like 5 minutes probably. Like, dude, you understand how many calls we've had on Bitcoin, the bottoms and tops? How much money we saved people? How much money we made people in here? Dude, these kids are stupid, dude. Like, I'm sorry. Like, stupid. Presumptuous scrubs, man. Alright? Ridiculous, man. The same scrub, too. I get my own... My name's Ron E and Ron K. Unreal. Reading chat. Sorry, can't have a live stream anymore without like crazy trolling. Can't do it anymore. Dude, who cares if he's saying that, man? He might be right. He might be right about Bitcoin going to $10, $1,000. Okay, but dude, we're not like. He's like taking it personal that we're talking about a retrace, right? He's taking it personal that we sold off $3,000 in 2 weeks, and we're due for a retrace based on technical analysis. He's like offended by that, and it's like, wow, that's crazy, man. A lot of people I like shorts. M-Lock. Cap everywhere, Crypto Tiger, exactly, man. So about Rod Dobson. What's up with ABC? Oh my god, you're the first one, dude. What's up with BCH? Oh, God, see it. The fact that I mentioned it, now people want to see it. I don't know, man. Hold on. I just don't know. Sorry, I was waiting on a loading screen real quick. Do we look at the US dollar pair or the Bitcoin pair on that, dude? ABC pair. I mean, no wonder no one's asking about it. It's trash, dude. It's trash out the gate, dude. Another bloody coin. No, I say always be crap, Miki, Chunky. Always be crap. How's the new setup, Devin? Well, it didn't all come in today. But other than that, it's pretty well. We got my old GPU hooked up to literally only... It's devoted to my streaming platform. And it's taking off so much work for my my 1070. So I can't even imagine what's going to happen tomorrow when I get my 1080 Ti put in and have the 1070 on my stream. You know, that's just going to be... It's going to be crazy, Devin. I can't wait. So, but Gabriel. No boy. Thanks, big fella, man. Appreciate that, dude. I don't know, man. Thank you for at least appreciating. Thank you, LPLT, for appreciating me. All right, thank you. I'm sure they can tell. I mean, my eyes are just like heavy, dude. Genevieve, I do. What, are you high? Is this your first time in here, dude? I think it is, man. It's kind of funny. If you knew that I traded, you'd know I'm short on Ethereum. Oh my God. Oh boy. Yep, that's right. Bear markets eat scrubs, indeed. Indeed, man. Hey Genevieve, go start your own channel, man. Go start your own channel, buddy. Okay? So we can go in and troll you, alright? People get a fit. Look, you know I could be playing Fortnite right now? For 10 months long now. I could be playing Fortnite. I could be streaming Call of Duty. I could do a cooking stream. But nah, I choose to try to teach people the stuff I learned in my 20s about trading, about swing trading. And, man, people are so butthurt about it, dude. People are so mad about it. Okay, so. Oh, yeah, I'll turn them off, dude. Yeah, sorry. My bad. That was because Probst, or Jeff Grau, is having a kid, and it's a boy. Okay, they found out today it's a boy. That was from the earlier stream. My bad. Sorry. Well, Australian. That was what it was, okay? Yeah, people forget this is a stream. This is like... You realize you don't have to show live trading to stream technical analysis, right? You don't have to. Bill Battle? Exactly, man. Exactly, dude. William. Alright, Mr. McGoog, have a good one, man. Sticky, yeah, dude. I can't freaking wait, man. Tomorrow, man. It will be in. It should have been in tonight, though. You should have, yeah, it should have been earlier. Okay. Yeah, Seagun, you want me to see the cooking stream, man? Let's do it, man. Dang, dude, we're at 70 likes right now on a 4 a.m. stream. No, what is it? 3:30 a.m. stream? Holy crap. Thanks, Miki Chunky, man. Appreciate the kind words. Positivity. Holy crap, man. I've never seen such a toxic chat in my life for this stream. It's been a long time. I can't remember this amount of toxicity, but it might be just the hour, right? I don't stream normally at this time, so you get a lot of toxic people coming in. I don't know. Weird. DJ, you don't have one, man? Really? You're good, DJ, man. Got you, dude. All right. Start a coffee brewing stream on Monday mornings. Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's freaking do it. Yeah, Nick. It just depends, man. Encyclopedia of chart patterns, awesome. Thomas Wilkowski, we recommend it all the time. A lot of people get it. A lot of people get into it. It's awesome. A lot of education in that, man. It's dry, of course, but it's, if you care, it's awesome. Cool Kings, doing streams like this. Look, man, when your internet goes out, when you're hours late for your night stream, and you couldn't stream because your internet thing goes out, and then you just come back on just because I care about this community. I truly do care about this community. So, yeah, they get jacked up, right? Good to see you too, Quasitil, man. Good to see you too, man. We got 19 away from 100 likes. Holy crap, man. Sure, probably like 100 dislikes too. Tonight. Never seen this much craziness. Mr. Matani, man. Matani. Yes, you're probably right, dude. I don't know, man. It's just like, whatever. Let's go to that Bitcoin Cash to ABC. Which one to see? Is that the Roger Ver one? Or is it the Craig Wright one? Oh, this one's going sideways, man. Completely range bound, right? This one's, wow. Decent amount of opportunity on a range bound asset always, right? Man. So you clearly see you got some sort of pretty strong support down here. So low risk areas, higher risk areas, obviously, right? Man, just going sideways. There's no uptrend or downtrend, right? Starting to show some pretty nice bullish divergence on the MACD. Low, lower low. Sweet. RSI just sitting at 42 right now. Volume's absolutely dead. Okay. Add a critical. Look, see the support right here from November 23rd. Okay, you're right around there with that bullish divergence with low volume. Be interesting to see if we can bounce off that or we'll just come back down. If you can't hold this, coming on down to 43,953 sats, and after that 43,351 sats. And if you can't hold that, 42,000 sats. Okay, so you're at a pretty critical area with the divergence. Don't know if that's going to play out in your favor or not, just because it's only one thing. You've got one support, not the strongest, and one oscillator saying an impending price action reversal to the upside. That's all you got going for you. So you might very well just break down again. Okay, that's it, dude. On BC, ABC to BTC. Holy crap, man! Say that 5 times fast. Holy crap. Thanks to the 137 people still tuned in. Holy crap! How are y'all even here at 3:30 in the morning? My God. Crap, man, what? Oh, it feels so good!
Mitch, this is my order for the new Monday morning coffee stream. White chocolate mocha with coconut milk and ground cinnamon. Is it time to re-enter sugar?
White chocolate mocha with coconut milk, grounds. Oh my God, dude. I've never heard. That is complicated, man. It sounds like you got 1, 2, 3. You got like 5 variables right there. You're making it like technical analysis, man. Okay, Oxy, man. Is it time to re-enter sugar? Let's take a look at the diabetes asset. Sugar to the US dollar. And under. Oh my God. Let's go to not the hourly. Okay, man. Okay, let's go to, what were we at? To the weekly? Is it the weekly? No? Okay, so first off, we're the weekly. Remember, zooming out so you get context of your overall trend is bearish. Quite bearish. We've been bearish since January 2011. That's when Michelle Obama started her war on diabetes and sugars and fat children. Of course, Kappa. But you get what I'm saying. Since 2011, been in a downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. But here something happened. We double bottomed. Beautiful double bottom on the weekly. God. And look on the weekly what happened. We had all the bullish divergence in the world and pending price action reversal to the upside, and we busted out. We broke to the upside. We broke out of the downslope short-term channel that had been going on really since October of 2016. Okay, but what happened? We approached that 75% trend line of our equidistant channel, and that was it. We have started retracing since then. Okay, let's go to the daily. Back to the daily anyway. Daily showed what? It showed bullish or bearish divergence up here. Look, you're making lower lows, and we should continue breaking down. But hey, man, let's look at the retrace. And think about sugar. We have not even retraced. Say your swing low all the way to your swing high. You have not even retraced 38% of the way. I think we very well could, in this retrace, double bottom, we could at least run all the way up to $15, $16.70. Wait, is this to the... Yeah, it's the US dollar. No, 15 cents, right? 15 cents to 16.7 cents, all the way up to 18.3 cents is our craziest target. Remember your retrace zone? Hey, we couldn't break. We couldn't do anything. We could not break that 236. That's exactly where we stalled out. Stalled out there. Oh, Fibonacci's fake, man. Okay, sure. Sure thing, man. You must be high. Okay, so 382 to 618. 15 cents to 18 cents is your zone of retrace. So we're breaking down. What are we doing? Making our common retrace from a swing low to swing high. Okay, right around that 50% retrace, around 11.642 cents. So resetting our oscillators. Clearly, we're overbought, pulling back, and making just a common retrace. Don't fall below 11.241 cents, and you'll be fine. You'll probably impulse up, downsloping consolidation, and run again. Okay, could be some sort of bull pull, bull flag action going on right here. So sugar, man. Okay, bull pull, bull flag. You gotta measure move like this. I wonder what's gonna happen, right? There you go, man. Here's your measurement. Okay. Boom. So where we can go to 14.861 cents. We wanted. Bull pull, bull flag. Impulse up. There's your measure move. Near the 382, which is your first common retrace. Visit. Okay. Ogsy, man, thanks for the 690. I really appreciate that. Holy crap, man. Thank you, dude. ABC is Ver. There we go. Thanks, Crypto Super Ninja, man. Appreciate it, dude. SV Right is an utter peanut butter. I don't know, man. I don't know what they're doing. Like, I don't know why they're acting like that. But yeah, dude. Roger Ver, Craig Wright. That is I think they will probably, mark my words. Someone timestamp this. At some point in the future, we're talking probably way in the distant future, they will make a movie about this. Okay, they'll make a movie about Roger Ver and Craig Wright doing this stuff, affecting crypto prices. It'll be nuts, dude. It'll be nuts. I don't know if it'll be a comedy or not, but it would be pretty funny. You want to check the volume and other pairs? Yeah, we were looking at XRP to BTC. But there was higher volume, you say? A lot higher everywhere, right? Oh man, failed, dude. We had that breakout and just failed. Okay, so looks like we're back inside that downsloping channel. we retraced our price. We retraced swing low to swing high, right? Low to high. Retraced 50% of the way. We reversed our price action to the upside, and we just failed to be able to break above this 50 MA, the downside of resistance, and the heart line. Also, terrible, strong amounts of resistance there. Okay, volume tapered off when we were making higher, like trying to make our house, just starting to round out. Could very much break down again at this point. This bad price action right here. After an impulse down, lower highs, rounding out some, could break down again to 88.65. Okay. Thanks, Renee, coming in from Vegas. Good to see you. Thank you for chiming in. Is that you, Mark Purdy, man? Van Life with Betty Boondocker. Rod Dobson, Bitcoin Andy, y'all heard that, but did you also hear that he called the community I've been building? I've been streaming 7 days a week. 7 days a week since March. 7 days for 10 months. Did you also know that he also said I was a fraud and half my community was fake? My tips were fake. The tips coming into me were fake. He said everything else was fake, right? You also know he said that? He said that. So though maybe he did say I was the best at TA, but he also called everything I built for 10 months fake. So keep that in mind, all right? Thanks. Do I, yeah, you can, so Tao, what you do is, when you're in a longer term short, like I am in Ethereum right now, I have a short position. So I went for a short position, or a short-term long position on Ethereum. Got stopped out. I did not get back into it. But like normally, what you would want to do, Tao, is if you understand the trend you're in is bearish, right? Very bearish. Okay, you got a head and shoulders pattern, whatever. That was our trade setup, and it just kept going, right? Just kept on going. You just let it ride, and we're gonna get a retrace at some point. We're getting the retrace right now, but you don't. One would not close that. They would just open up a short-term long position to hedge their losses they're taking on their longer-term short position, understand? And so when you're hedging, idealistically, you're looking for those 382s, 50%, 618s to close that long, to close that hedge, and then you just have your short position open. See what I'm saying? So one would have two positions, right? It's just hedging a trend. Tao, I hope that helps, man. Apple cider chart? Yeah, all in ANTC. What's the apple cider chart ticker? Is that an ANTC chart? I don't think that exists, man. Yep, CGC, man, that was the one that's weird. You can't even look at it on, you have to look at it on the daily. Man, I'll tell you, this one was insane, dude. This one was so spectacular. CGC was a textbook. If you ever want to say, hey, man, could you show me an ascending triangle, man? Go to CGC on the daily. The most fantastic, beautiful, I'm talking ungodly ascending triangle we've ever seen. We actually had this drawn before we hit the target, before we just broken out. We said, okay, man, I don't know how this is even going to happen, but maybe ascending triangle, measure move of this from the low to high. That's how you measure it. You measure the widest areas of the triangle from the breakout, 1872. 1872. Boom. Measure move of your triangle was hit. Kangs. Alright, we were in a nice uptrend, but then went nuts and just ran up to hit the target of the pattern. And then since then, we just crapped around, whatever, and then dumped tremendously. All the way back down into the triangle. That doesn't even matter anymore. It doesn't even really exist anymore. But now you're just back in that channel. Okay, you're approaching that upslope support for around $30. So, big one, Andy. There you go, man. That's it. Getting dumped hard. Looking at the daily, and you were showing some bullish divergence. Okay. On the MACD. It's fine. Volume tapering off too, making lower lows. Always awesome. Look what happened up here when you hit target triangle, false breakout of the triangle, and then you had a huge dark cloud cover, bearish. Oh my God, it's so beautiful, man. Dark cloud cover, bearish reversal pattern. Are you kidding me, man? Love this song, man. I don't know what photos. Yeah, sure. Dark cloud cover, man. Where you have a green candle, then the next day you open above the previous day's close. You can wake up, do whatever you want, but eventually what will happen is you'll sell off all day. You'll at least pierce 50% of the way through the previous day's candle, and then eventually you'll close between 50 and 65% of the way. Okay, so it's a dark cloud cover. The inverse of this, if it's bullish, it would be called a piercing line. So dark cloud cover is the antithesis or the reciprocating brother of the piercing line. Okay, so dark cloud cover is exactly what we witnessed right here. As you can see, you opened above your previous day's close and you sold off all day and closed between 50% to 65% of the way through the previous candle. That is a huge bearish engulfing candle. Please learn that pattern. It is so powerful. It's so good. So good. Dark cloud cover. All right. Whatever. Gangs. Okay, man. So anyway, bullish divergence on the MACD, near that 200-day moving average. You got those low risk areas down here. You're on an uptrend. So be careful, man. Be careful. That's all you got. No real pattern. I don't think you have. I mean, we can try to see here. Do we have any kind of wedge or something? We're trying to mess around. 1, 2, 3. I don't think so, man. I think you're almost grasping here. Okay, a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you don't even have 5 touch points, right? You do not have 5 touch points. So you don't have a valid wedge, but you can clearly see downsloping price contraction, which is normally bullish. So you have downsloping price contraction with bullish divergence on the MACD, and the volume's tapering off when we're making lower lows. Near a critical area of upsloping support. Near the 200-day moving average. So, all right, okay, man. We'll see how it plays out. We'll leave it here, and we'll come back to it. Big plan, Andy, man. All right. Whatever. Hope it helps. Sweet. It's going to go white. Okay. Sweet, man. Possible falling wedge. And it's not really valid because there's not 5 touch points. So, whatever. Okay. And it really, I mean, dude, you are... It doesn't look very good, but you do have that very, very slight bullish divergence on the RSI too. Okay, man. Low, lowest low, higher levels of relative strength. Okay, so both also just really showing you bullish divergence right now with the wedge, possibly. Could break the upside. Okay, cool. Apple cotter, vinegar. Walk showing you sure, man. Apple cotter. Thanks, Kenny Logan, man. Oh, there's Jeff, man. 2010 was also the teleFOMO of our generation. I spiked the upside on price and diabetes, man. So we don't have a historical. You don't have a chart on diabetes, like literally, like the amount of people. We think since 2010, 2011, our diabetes has died down. Has it gotten any better? Jeff, that's a wonderful point, man. Okay, see the correlation between diabetes registered and the chart on sugar to US dollar. Great idea. What's up, Pablo, man? I am here. You're happy to see me at this tome. What kind of tome, man? No, it's not tomb with a B, so I'm not dead, but you're saying this tome. I think tomes are books, right? A certain type of book, Pablo, man. Good to see me at this tome. Yes, this tome, man. This tome. I have it right here in my hand. Okay. Take my word for it. It's called a hedge, Nick Mendez. A hedge. Oh my goodness, man. Wow. Phil, man. I know what you're asking. I know why you're asking about GPT, right? No, dude. Why? Well, somewhat, right? I think I know what you're getting at, right? Seeing the lower low, and then the higher low, right? The shift maybe in momentum with the, is it a Head and Shoulders, man? Maybe, man. 11,000 sats you're holding. You know, we had that wedge. I mean, we broke out of the wedge to the upside. So, you know, just get rid of this stuff. So you had the wedge, it went down even further. Okay, so we just changed up the trend lines, and let's see. Broke the upside. Couldn't break that 50 MA. Okay, what you do in your scrub. Broke down once again. Hit the 786 retrace. The 786 retrace. Swing low from the lowest low. August 14th all the way to the highest high. October 23rd, 24th. We broke it down. We retraced 78% of the way. We're holding off that. Okay. And you could say, one could be, it's price contraction, man. We have 2 reaction lows, 2 reaction highs. Okay, people could argue that. Others could argue potential inverse head and shoulders pattern. Okay. Not the prettiest at all. Not very pretty at all. But, arguments could be made on both sides, okay? Like that doesn't look very good, right? Doesn't look that great. Not at all. But, you know, you get it, right? You get the price contraction. So, big move to the upside downside coming. We're probably about 80% of the way through the development of this pattern. And then other people go, okay, man, no, I see that, what you're talking about, and do this. Okay, I'll do this all day. It's like, okay, man, it's not that pretty, but see what I'm saying? So, get it, man. We're holding this 786. We're holding that 11,000 really, really well. All right. So, don't break. Do not break this 10,852 area. Don't break it. And if you do not break 96.45. If you do, you're going all the way to 82.35 real quick. And after 82.35, you see the supports back here from August and September. Going all the way back down. Okay, man. So, whatever, man. Sweet. Phil, is that what you were looking at, man? Kind of what you were kind of seeing, dude? A little bit. It's kind of like 2 different patterns that are kind of weird, alright? Did I get a new computer machine, Matt? I kind of did, right? Kind of. The 1080 Ti won't be until tomorrow, but we did augment an old GPU I had to specifically take care of my OBS, my stream platform. So it took off so much workload. Oh my god, my GPU, my older GPU's like workload is like 80% the entire time. That means that like there's so much computing power required to run my stream. Okay, stupid amounts. It's taking it in it's the entire workload. It's stressed, dude. It's running hard, right? Did I just miss all the chat? All the chat just like disappeared. Really? Star Wars Worlds, Jeff, man. Yes, it did. That's it, man. So I'm just getting through chat and might be wrapping it up in a second, y'all. Okay. It's just late. It's like 4 a.m. Eastern. Okay. Diabetes tends to skip generations and families. If you're talking about type 1 diabetes, right? Yeah, sure, maybe. But type 2 is completely acquired, an acquired disease. Okay. Too much sugar, your pancreas becomes insensitive to, it doesn't want it to sugar, really. It doesn't produce insulin anymore, right? Yeah, it broke the wedge and did nothing. You're pretty much starting to form other patterns, maybe fill in, right? Other patterns, triangle, and maybe it's potential slanted inverse head and shoulders. Either way, self-fulfilling if we break this down, slipping resistance around 12,668, right? 688. Sure thing, Pedro. Thanks, Phil. Might. Sure thing. Yeah, it's 4 a.m. Right, so, okay. I'm out of here, y'all. It's been fun. It really has. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for the subs, the likes, thanks for the dislikes, thanks for the trolls. Thanks everyone for not appreciating me. Thanks to people for appreciating me. Thanks for it all. I'll be back tomorrow. So until next time, respect, T-A.